हाँ भाई, कैसा दिया? याद है सीन कि नहीं याद है? कैसा दिया? ओह नहीं नहीं, वो था आमिर लियाकत तुम्हारा। आमिर आमिर। अच्छा, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है दैट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग अगेन। अच्छा, हर टॉपिक इंटरेस्टिंग होता है लेकिन ये वाला कुछ ज़्यादा ख़ास है क्योंकि आई हैड, यार इसने मुझे डरा दिया ये जो भी टाइमर हुआ है ना। अच्छा, मैं ना इतना जिन भूतों से डरता नहीं हूँ, लेकिन ये जो हमारा कैमरा मैन है इज़ वेरी नाइस गाय उसामा। इसने मुझे कुछ ऐसी बातें बोल दी हुई है कि अब ये देखो, मैं वरना ये डरने वाली चीज़ नहीं थी। आई नो फॉर द फैक्ट कि ये टाइमर हिलेगा, लेकिन वो हुआ तो मैंने कहा भाई कोई जिन भूत ना हो, लेकिन चलो खैर कोई बात नहीं। कमिंग बैक अगेन टू द टॉपिक, तो आज का जो टॉपिक है दैट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू मी बिकॉज आई हैड वन क्लाइंट जो कि ही वॉज फ्रॉम इटली और इंडियन नेशनल थे, लिविंग इन इटली। देवर ग्रुप ऑफ डॉक्टर्स जो कि इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाह रहे थे दुबई में, एंड दे वांटेड टू इन्वेस्ट अ होल अमाउंट ऑफ लेट्स सपोज $5 to $6 million, बट यू नो एवरी एग वी शुड नॉट कीप एग्स इन वन बास्केट, वो वाला सिनेरियो था। सो वेरी फनी, एक और इन्वेस्टर, ही इज़ फ्रॉम दुबई, सिविल इंजीनियर। तो दैट डे वी हैड मीटिंग 2 हफ्ते पहले। ही वॉज ऑल्सो लुकिंग फॉर द सिमिलर प्रोडक्ट बट हिज बजट वॉज ओनली 1 million dirham. तो वी मेड a full study file. We went down to all developers कि 1 million के मार्क में हमारे पास क्या क्या है. So we started looking around, or now every day in Dubai, we have a lot of stock to sell. हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स हैं बेचने के लिए, एंड इन्वेस्टर्स दे आर लाइक ओके, आज ये वाला नहीं है तो कल एक नई लॉन्च आ जाएगी, इसमें क्या बड़ी बात है, लॉन्च आ जाएगी हम उसमें ले लेंगे एट अप्रिसिएटेड प्राइस। 6 महीने बाद अप्रिसिएशन, डेवलपर ऑटोमेटिकली फेज़ 1 फेज़ 2 फेज़ 3 में अप्रिशिएटेड करके ही प्राइस में प्रोडक्ट निकालता है। लेकिन वी मेक श्योर एट सागर लग्जरी प्रॉपर्टीज़ कि वी डिलीवर नाइस प्रोडक्ट्स और दोज प्रोडक्ट्स दैट एक्चुअली एड वैल्यू. तो we have different areas. First area we will discuss in this video, we will discuss about 3 products. And before we get started, my name is Ali and I'm co-founder at Saga Luxury Properties. Living in Dubai for more than at least, I don't know, 20 साल से मैं यहाँ पे रह रहा हूँ. So I've seen Dubai ins and out. So Dubai grew in front of me. I've seen every road. अभी भी 20 साल हो गए. Dubai invest heavily with infrastructure. मोस्ट रिसेंटली आई वॉज एक रोड से, मैं उस रोड पे इतना जाता नहीं हूँ बट ओकेजनली जाता रहता हूँ. तो आई वॉज पासिंग, आई विल रिवील द वीडियो रोड का नेम अभी थोड़ी देर में. आई वॉज पासिंग थ्रू दैट रोड और ऑल ऑफ सडन मेरे माइंड में है कि देर विल बी अ राउंड अबाउट, एंड ऑल ऑफ सडन कोई राउंड अबाउट ही नहीं है. अभी मुझे लग रहा है आगे सिग्नल आएगा एंड देयर इज नो सिग्नल. दे हैव मेड ब्रिजेस के ट्रैफिक रुके नहीं वहाँ पे, और ओवर क्या बोलते हैं उसको, जो ओवरफ्लाई क्या बोलते हैं, फ्लाईओवर. तो वो फ्लाईओवर जो है वो वहाँ पे आ गए. सो वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. तो रोड का नाम अगेन इट्स उम्मे सकीम रोड, ब्यूटीफुल रोड. व्हेनेवर यू सी उम्मे सकीम रोड, think of Mall of Emirates. So Mall of Emirates start होती है, then it goes all the way down to the south. So it's an interlink road, not a major road. So anyways, coming back again to the topic, 1 million dirham के मार्क में हमारे पास क्या है. So there are many products के जो I believe कि there is a growth opportunity. People made money in Dubai Hills Estate, not because of Emaar. Of course, definitely it is Emaar, but people made more money when the infrastructure came. So Emaar is known for quality, lekin Emaar is not quality. Emaar is infrastructure. So wherever the Emaar is, there you will see roads, hospitals, schools, airports, So they invest urban development in urban development. Their mastery is in urban development. तो अगेन लॉट ऑफ वी विल बी कंटिन्यूइंग दिस सीरीज ऑल वे अराउंड. लेकिन अभी के लिए हम बात करेंगे जुमेरा गार्डन सिटी की. हाँ, तो जुमेरा गार्डन सिटी, इफ समबडी इज नॉट फेमिलियर, डाउनटाउन बिजनेस बे, शेख जायद रोड, एंड राइट ऑपोजिट टू शेख जायद रोड इज जुमेरा गार्डन सिटी. We have this coastal line. Whoever wants to live in the coastal line, we have starting from Dubai Islands. Then we have Maritime City, Rashid Johnson Marina, Maritime City. Then we have Bulgari. Then we have Nikki Beach, and then we have H&H, and then we have Palm Jumeirah की पूरी coastal है. Then we have Palm Jumeirah. Then we have Palm Jablali. So these are expensive near the coastline. Okay, so some people, they like to stay within the city, within this they like this city vibe. For me, when I went down to I've lived here all my life. I like to go sometime to the coastal area, but I personally I prefer city life. कि भाई जहाँ पे city life हो, I need to see traffic, but I don't like getting stuck in the traffic. So I like to see people, hype, energy in the city. Every city has its own energy, aura. It has its own aura. So Jumeirah Garden City, new development aa rahi hai. There are many projects that were nobody knew, because I am a resident. I know these are the products कि जहाँ पे हम खुद investment करते हैं, and these products get sold out like pancakes before even the advertising is started. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये products actually adds value into your assets. So there is one project in Jumeirah Garden City, beautiful prime location. 1.1 million dirham में we can get a studio over there. 1.1 1.2 million dirham, a decent size 400 square feet का studio रहेगा. Developers, get in touch with our team. There'll be a link bottom of the description where you can contact us, our team, and then we can guide you over a Zoom meeting, or you want to see consult me personally. So Jumeirah Garden City हो गया एक. Second option is I would say Motor City. Why Motor City? It's a very planned community. Every community is not planned, because in Dubai ऐसा नहीं है कि if the whole Dubai, there are macro areas. DLRC, we have Motor City, Sport City, we have Arjan, we have Furjan, JVC, we have JVT. Emirates Hills, of course, the ultra luxury. For those who don't know, Emirates Hills, Dubai Hills Estate, people who are billionaires with a B, they live there. So it's like mansions over there. We will definitely stick closer to the main streamlined cities areas. Motor City, again, we have Autodrome, we have go-karting. It's a beautiful, lavish luxury retail. One of my favorite restaurant is there. I think Kana hai. हम दोस्त लोग, we go down there for shisha, even though I don't smoke. Like that's a beautiful place, beautiful strip for restaurants, retails. So there, अगर आप real estate से हो, you would known कि हम शोभा की बात करें, but we're not talking about शोभा, because शोभा is a very, again, शोभा is quality. So it's not luxury, because luxury is, ultra luxury is Omniat. Luxury is like Ellington. So Shobha is quality. So Shobha की बात कर रहे थे. So they are selling at 1,800 dirham per square feet. They don't have studios, 1 beds, 2 beds, 3 beds. ये जो particular product की हम बात करें, it is approximately 5 to 7 minutes of walk from the upcoming Pink Line metro station, and they are selling at 1,400 dirham per square feet. So you are already making profit, because for me, when I want to invest, I see what is the average or maiden prices of the area. If I see the area is selling at 1,800, I need, as a consultant, my job is to find those products in the same area, in the same community, at a lesser price per square feet. That's where my investors makes money. So Motor City के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. Motor City average price is 1,800 dirham per square feet. Of course, we have older buildings in Motor City. The newer people, that the crowd, the type of crowd that Dubai is coming in now, they want something. They don't want old building. They once they enter in the reception, they want to see double heighted reception, welcoming area, amenities. So आजकल every developer is playing around amenities, but actually amenities will not make your investment secure. 40 plus amenities, 30 plus amenities, 20 plus amenities, every other developer is giving you now. So your investment is not secure with amenities. You need to see what is in the surroundings. Your community matters a lot. So Motor City, second project will be Motor City. We will share this in a while. So third project we will discuss is in DLRC. A beautiful project, a beautiful location. DLRC, for those who doesn't know, it's just an extension of Dubai Land Road. Right opposite to Dubai Silicon Oasis is DLRC Dubai Land Residential Complex. There also one bedroom starting price is 1.034. Okay, so I'm not promising anything. You will make 50%, 70%, 100% gain on your equity. But for my investors, I make sure, because real estate is not a game for short term. Okay, flipping is there, but we need to do it in a particular manner. It has step by step process for flipping also. Not every product will make you money. So DLRC again, it is very close to Knowledge Village. So we have Academic City. We have Academic City. So Emirates headquarter. It used to be. It is there actually in Deira Clock Tower. We have once you're coming from Sharjah side, you will see Emirates headquarter IT hub on the right hand side. That is moving down near DLRC. So a lot of potential in that area, plus upcoming metro station, plus Academic City is there. So all in all, I have a list of 7 projects that fall into this category, but these are the top 3. Number 1 will be Jumeirah Garden City. Number 2 will be Motor City, and number 3 will be DLRC. There is Imtiaz. For those, if you think I'm talking about Imtiaz is a very good developer now. But I want to see कि भाई उन्होंने products कितने deliver किए हैं और off plan में कितना चल रहा है उनका products की upcoming product कितने हैं उनके. So we need to see the balance also. So it's not Imtiaz, it's another product by another developer, well-known developer also. So if for those, जिनको question है कि भाई क्या है ये product, so again give us a Zoom meeting. We will see if we'll put you in the schedule, and then we will see what are your requirements and where you fit in. So for that civil engineer guy who's living in Dubai, or wo jo Italian doctors, a group of doctors, so those we have finalized some units, and that's it for this episode. Any questions if you have, you can drop down your comment, और follow मत करना, ठीक है, सब्सक्राइब भी मत करना, और लाइक और कमेंट भी मत करना, ठीक है, बल्कि कमेंट्स आप कर दो, फिर इंशाल्लाह आपसे फिर बात होती है. थैंक यू सो मच.